Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome Miss Cherries, and thank you for clicking this video. So today I'll be doing my first impressions of these new items from Tilbury's the Supernudes collection. I was only able to get these two items. This is not exactly new. I'm going to explain why the only new or the new lip shade from the Kissing line is this one. So I'm going to explain why. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Face palette wasn't available when I purchased these from my Rare Red online. Somebody commented that the face palette would be available next week, so I'm not really sure about that. So if you want to see swatches, and you'll Angel Naked one and also Chick Profile Facial posted swatches of all the shades from the face palette. So like I mentioned, this one not exactly new, it's like a re-release item. I did not know that when I purchased this one. The only new item or like new shade from the Kissing line is this one. So the packaging for the Super Nudes collection would be this, like, you know, like nude box, nude lip. So this is the new shade from the Kissing line, Runway Royalty. I do not have any of her lip products, so I'm very excited to use this. I'm still going to do a tutorial of this one, although this is not new. This one came out maybe 9 to 10 months ago. Yeah, this is like new to me. $57 for this one. And this is like made in Italy with a shelf life of 24 months. I already primed my lids, guys. I always use my Makeup by Mario, so I'm going to show you the inside. This is very tiny for $57. So okay, so came with this plastic like instruction. So for this side right here, 1 2 3, the shades right here are like for, you know, daytime, and then the shades are here for nighttime. So it says in here 1 2 3, let me show you: prime, enhance, and then the third one, smoke, define. Very pretty. I mean, for like neutral, I like my neutral shades, but this palette is just way too expensive. $57 for only 6 shades, and this is so tiny. My heart is breaking right now. I do love luxury items, luxury brands, high-end brands, but this is just way too expensive. Okay, so that's enough talking. I'm gonna do tutorial right now. I'm gonna do like a daytime ish with like a nighttime look. Maybe I'll do that. Okay, so I'll be there's no like number 3. Okay, I'm gonna swatch first. I'm gonna swatch the shades. Very almost like a oh wow, this is, oh wow, they feel really creamy, like cream to powder formula. You guys, here are, okay, there you go. So these are the shades that I already have in my makeup collection, I'll be honest. And again, my camera's not, it's getting blurry again. There you go. And then let me wipe my fingers. Then I'm gonna swatch the last 3 shades. So the palette, they are very creamy. Okay. The black is really nice. That's pretty. Starting off with this shade right here. This is the Smoke and Define shade, but I'm gonna use this one as my transition shade. So very creamy, or like creamy and silky at the same time. So yeah, I made a big mistake purchasing this one. I just purchased these items without blinking my eyes. I mean, I had a really bad day. So it was like yeah, I had a really bad day, didn't even think about it. Added both items in my cart. So yeah, really made a big mistake. So this one's really nice. Not very pigmented. I had to tip my brush in here maybe 3 times. So next, I'm going to take the shade that's right next to the transition shade. Very very powdery. So this one too is not very like pigmented. I'm also going to show you guys, like, oh my god, I have something. Of course, I already have this type of shades in my collection, but I'm going to show you what's the one, Wayne Goss's palette, one of his palettes. Just gonna, because the shades are, you know, very similar in my opinion. So this one's not bad, but very powdery though. I'm taking this shade right here, like right next to this shade I just applied. See guys, oh, see, powdery. And I'm just gonna add a little more like depth to the eyes. I'm not going to use a liquid liner. I'm going to use this black shade as my liner, because this black shade actually is really nice, very black. So not very pigmented, more like buildable, but still very easy to blend. So I'm taking the transition shade again. I'm gonna apply it lightly so they look, you know, they don't look too harsh. Since all the shades are matte shades, I'm going to use something else. I'll be using this Eyes to Mesmerize from Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk. Did my first impressions of this and also the Walk of No Shame maybe 2 months ago. I've been really liking the Walk of No Shame, I mean the Pillow Talk lately. This is actually really pretty shade. And I'm using a flat synthetic brush. This one is not too, you know, matte and not too shimmery either. Just a really like perfect color for this eye look. I like this one because it's very easy to apply. And also the shade is so beautiful. Going back to the shade again, I'm gonna deepen it up a little bit more. Is this black shade. I'm going to use this one as my wing liner. Okay, so I'm going to use this baby wipe and then just gonna wipe off the mess that I made. I'm going to put on the rest of my makeup off camera and do my left eye, and I'll be right back with the lip product. I applied way too much blush, way too much. I'm wearing the M Cosmetics So Soft blush stick in Passion, and also the contour stick in Terra. For my lower lashes, I'm wearing these two shades, and my waterline Chanel's liner from their fall collection. Doesn't move, doesn't budge. I really like this one. I've been using this one non-stop. I do not like to wear dark brown and dark liners on my waterline. They make me look old. So I like to wear lighter liners on my waterline. This one is really good, worth the money in my opinion. Alright, so now I'm gonna move on with the, where's the lipstick? Okay, here's the lipstick. This is the box. So this is the box for the Super Nudes collection. This one, so the new shade from their Kissing line, and this is the, what do you call this, Kissing the Super Nudes enriched with lipstick tree extract. So this one is I'm trying to find information on this. So this one is has a shelf life of, oh my god, I have bad eyesight right now, 18, I think 18 months. I can't really tell, I think 18 months. So not exactly like a new product, but a new lip shade from their Kissing line. And this is the packaging. It's really nice, the grid gold packaging. I'm gonna show you the shade. So this is a just like a peachy pink, or maybe like a nude beige. Let me swatch this one. Oh, okay. So definitely a nude pink shade, but not very nude, like a medium pink shade. That's pretty. I do not like nude lipsticks in general. I'm more of like a peachy pink or a peachy nude person. So I'm gonna try this one out. It feels a little like matte. And I don't have anything on my lips right now. I remove my lip gloss. So let's see. So I need to put a lip balm because this one's a little like, my lips right now a little bit, you know, dry. Okay, so I'm going to apply this one. This color is pretty. It's like a not mauvey pink, but not too mauvey. It's like a perfect amount of mauve undertone. It did not apply nicely. It tagged my lips a little bit. I have dry lips, so if you have dry lips, make sure that you prep your lips, apply lip balm underneath, because you know it's going to tag your lips. But overall, really like this lip color. Actually really like the formulation. Very happy. Doesn't feel sticky. It actually feels hydrating, looks glossy. As you could see, I did not apply gloss on top, but you see looks a little glossy. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of lip liner because just to give it a little bit more definition. I'm going to compare this palette with the Wayne Goss. You can see very similar. She's very similar, 55, 57, but you get more here, like 1 gram per shade, than this one from Charlotte Tilbury. If you already have the Wayne Goss or have something in your makeup collection, you do not need this one. There's nothing special about this one. It's a cream to powder, but nothing special. Still like cream to powder formula from Natasha Denona than this one. I think Natasha Denona's cream to powder way better than this one in my opinion. I mean, the shadows blended beautifully. They're not very pigmented. I had to build them up, but it didn't really bother me. But overall, I do not need this one, just being honest. So if you already have this one, this is not a new item, it's a re-release item from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, so next is the lipstick. I like this one. This one I highly recommend. I really like this color. Oh my god. It's not too like mauvey, but sometimes like pinky mauvey shade looks too mauvey, but this one doesn't. Just a right amount of mauve undertone, and it's not too pinky either, because I do not like pinky I don't like pink lipsticks. So this one's really pretty. I like this one. I'm not wearing lip gloss. It looks shiny. If you have dry lips, like I mentioned, you have to apply lip balm or lip mask underneath, because it's going to tag your lips. But overall, this is really nice. I also really like the cup, the packaging, and the color. Very nice. I like this one. So let me know, guys, what do you think about the Super Nudes collection from Charlotte Tilbury. So this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys on my next one. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.